On August 12th, around 11 p.m., a woman who's walking outside notices that a mysterious man is following her. So she calls an Uber and waits by a business until it arrives. She then walks to the Uber, opens a door, and as she's getting in, the man yells at her and starts running towards her. She quickly closes the door and he runs full force into the Uber driver's car. The male Uber driver then gets out and approaches the aggressive man. They go back and forth, threatening one another for a few moments until the mystery man runs off and the Uber driver and the woman call the police.
Like, do you know who he is? And I'm like, no, I don't know who he is. I don't know if he thinks I'm somebody or what's going on, but that's what's been going on. And this man, he was literally cleaning up outside, and he was like, you know, how long is your ride gonna come? Yeah, and my first Uber was gonna come. It was like 2 minutes away. Then it changed the ride, and then he was like 3 minutes away. So I was like, oh, I'm good. He's coming soon. And he was like, okay, I'm gonna head in now. You sure you're okay? I was like, yeah, I'll call my dad if anything. But I didn't want to call my dad and wake him up out of his sleep, you know, to come way over here. So as soon as he got here, I guess he was watching. I don't know if he was watching or something, but he seen me when I got in the car, and then he was like,
she had to run into the car.
He was like, I caught you, I got you, or something. And then that's when I was like, I hurry up and got in. I'm like, you know, no matter what he says, just go. Just don't stop for him.
So when he saw you were walking towards the car, he started saying like, I got you, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she ran in the car.
And then he ran after me. Like, I knew it was going to be something crazy because he's been acting crazy all night. And I'm so, like, he literally ran to the car.
And that's what he did. He kicked this door right here.
And then he must have kicked it and fell into it because he even hit it up here, too.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. You're fine. Were you hurt at all? Did he touch you at any point?
No.
Okay.
He was close to me. You know, that's why somebody was like, do you know who he is? And I'm like, no, because they seen me not talking to him, but he kept, like, coming in my area.
Okay. Yeah. So after he hit the door, you got out of the car?
Yeah.
So you actually saw him?
Yeah.
Okay. So what, did he say anything to you, or?
Oh, he said, come at me. You got, you know, come, you know, something like, you know, some kind of fighting gesture.
Yeah.
He said, something like that.
Did he ever express what he wanted with her at all? Or?
He didn't say to me, no.
That's my other driver. I have to go because I have to go pick up my son.
Okay. Do you have driver's license?
I don't have my driver's license on me.
The second I started getting big with him, and all of a sudden started freaking out when he ran away.
What's your first name?
So,
Yeah, she has no clue who he is.
Okay. If I see him again, I would recognize him. Okay.
Well, she says she has to go.
Police track down a man matching the description and try to determine what he's doing in this area at this time of night.
What brings you down here?
Well, I was going to meet somebody down here at these apartment complexes, but my phone in the ride up me.
Your phone crapped out on you?
Yeah, in the ride up me.
Okay. All right. Well,
over here.
the other deputy that just pulled up here took the complaint, so she's got some more information, then we'll get you going, okay? Yeah, I appreciate your cooperation.
Did you talk to an Uber driver?
No, not yet.
Okay. Because the person we had the complaint on was an Uber driver.
No. I didn't talk to no Uber driver. I didn't see no Uber driver.
Okay.
Do you have any identification on you or anything, sir?
I don't, unfortunately.
No? Like I say, we got the complaint and you're right here, so we got to check it out.
Officers then perform what they call a show-up in order to verify with high certainty who the suspect is.
So basically, here's what we're going to do: is we're gonna do what's called a show up. Okay, it doesn't mean that we have the right person. Obviously, we're gonna go off of what you tell us. So, give me just a second. I'll grab some paperwork. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna read her this information. She's gonna go in the back of your car. You're gonna turn all of your lights on, like your scene lights, like that, and then you're just gonna drive past them. They're gonna have him standing out on the side of the road, and she's either gonna confirm or deny that that's the subject. Same thing with number 2. Okay.
Got it. Okay, so in a moment I am going to show you an individual. That person may or may not be the person who committed the crime that, you know, is being investigated. So if you're not sure and you tell me you're not sure, that's it. But it's important that you tell me instead of trying to guess, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm coming with you. They're going to put him in a way that you can see him. I'm going to drive by really slowly. Your window's going to be up. So, you know, just look, take your time. Let me know, okay? Here you go. You good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, they're gonna be right there in front of it's gonna be to your right where those 2 patrol cars are.
Okay. No.
Okay.
No, he was like a taller, skinnier guy.
Okay, so this is not the person you saw chasing you?
No, he was a little taller.
Okay.
And he had like black shoes on. I remember those black forces.
Real fine.
Okay. Do I have to look at the second subject or no?
Well, that's the only one we have. He is the second person that we're going to take, yeah. Yeah, just talk to him. I'm gonna...
To gain even more validity, officers also have the Uber driver who came within a foot of the mystery man during their verbal argument perform the exact same exercise. And for some odd reason, they have slightly different answers.
So, in a moment, I am going to show you an individual. That person may or may not be the person who committed the crime being investigated, so damage to your vehicle. You should not guess or feel like you have to make an identification. It is just important to exclude innocent people, and is to identify the person who committed the crime. The procedure is important to the investigation, so all of this, so if you cannot just, it's whether to identify somebody or not.
Yes.
Okay? Once we're done doing that, I'm just going to have you sign and print, okay?
Yeah. For my fat ass in here. Well, I'm having my first ride in a police car.
Hey, at least you're not in handcuffs.
Yeah, right?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to be where those patrol cars are, to your right. He's going to be just standing there.
I don't see any patrol cars.
Oh, it's right over here. I'm going to turn.
Okay.
I just have to wait for oncoming traffic.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks like his...
Okay, is that the person you saw?
Yeah, that is.
Okay.
Was he wearing holding his hoodie in his hand over there?
Okay, so... in your own words, how can you describe how certain you are?
That's about 95% because it is dark and I'm not as close as I was. But that looks like him, 100%, and the clothing he was wearing. She knows this guy. She's playing games with me. I knew it too when she got in the car. Because she's like, I don't know him, but yet run away from him, don't listen to what he says. Sounds like boyfriend-girlfriend issues. And I had to pay for it. And yeah, I know not to say anything to her. Man, oh man, oh man. Alright, yeah. Obviously I can't get out. I should have taken a picture of myself back here. Oh, fuck me.
Thank you so much.
I want to thank you guys for all you do too, by the way.
He says,
So you're saying 100% you can say that is...
95. I was pretty far away and dark through the dark tint.
Well, you said you were like this to him.
No, he meant when I
Just
drove
now.
by.
Yeah.
Like
I couldn't really, it was like a drive-by and that was, okay, 99%. You know what I mean?
Yeah, are you 99%?
Oh, yeah, I mean, that
sure?
guy is definitely him. Same stature, same everything. Same little attitude, the way he's moving. And he ran in that exact direction, too.
She, when she saw him, before I could even ask, I didn't even have time, all she said was like, no, that's not him.
Okay.
He was taller, he was, okay.
All right. Well, I got a theory on what's going on, but
too.
Yeah.
Sounds like boyfriend-girlfriend issues.
Well,
Yeah,
it could be that, or it could be maybe we're meeting somebody up here for, I don't know.
Oh, yeah, right.
But, I mean, it's just kind of weird that she's getting dropped off. I don't know if you know, her Uber dropped her off, the first one, at 11:04. So, what you're coming to Ollie's at 11:04 for? I don't know, because Ollie's...
Yeah, she told me she was in the game room. I don't know what
Well, she
she's
said she was sitting in front of the game room or something, and then she told me that while I was waiting for you guys, she said that she had a gift card. She said she had a gift card to Mayon.
Okay.
Or some kind of free something, and then she said it to the person on the phone.
See if you can find out who her other Uber driver was, and we'll see if we can find them to make that.
I'm going to my app right now, because they were already talking to me, because I reported it right away.
Yeah.
And I called it through their app.
Okay.
Usually not once you can go back and look at your ride, and you might be able to say something like, I left something in my car.
Okay.
That's about it, though, that I'm aware of.
Fabio, and that's basically it. His name.
6 was the time I came here.
11:06. Okay.
What time did you get here?
I think I'm at 11:04.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, I wasn't here.
We just want to get a hold of him.
Yeah, they don't have any. You have to contact them now at this point, and then they'll contact.
And how do you contact them? Just by doing this? By clicking on this here? Like if you were going to reach out to them, how would you do that?
I would have to go to help.
Okay.
Let's see.
Does it give you a number or something to call, or is it all done
No,
to the app?
it's all like waiting, and
Uh-huh.
their business is closed at the moment.
And at this point, with multiple red flags, stalling attempts, and the woman obviously caught up in her own lie, officers glove up to read her rights and arrest her.
Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. Okay, you have the right to an attorney and to speak with them before any questions. You may waive your right to an attorney, and you may answer any questions or make any statements that you
What am I
wish.
being arrested for?
Okay, let me finish. Okay, you understand the rights as I read them to you?
But what am I being arrested?
Nobody said yet that you're arrested.
Well, she grabbed me and she said I need to let go of my purse.
Yeah, because I don't want to.
All right, so what you're being arrested for is called obstruction. The gentleman that's over here, you told her flat out while you were in the car, okay? Everything in our vehicles
I told
is
her flat
recorded.
out what?
That you don't know the gentleman
I
that's
don't
standing
know
over
him.
there.
He's standing over there. I don't
You're
look
linked in
like
our system with him. He was your boyfriend.
You don't look like my boyfriend.
Okay, well, I don't care what he looks like to you. You know who he is.
I don't know.
He's already confirmed that that's the man that hit his
I'm not
car.
with anyone. That's
Okay,
not my
well,
boyfriend.
regardless. Okay, so you have obstructed our investigation.
How did I obstruct anything?
Because
you lied to me.
know what's
Flat
going
to my
on. You
face.
just flat out lied.
How did I lie? I don't know that guy.
I asked you what happened, and then I asked you, do you
I
know
don't
him?
know what
Have you
happened.
ever
He
seen?
told you what happened.
Okay,
He saw
good
me
enough.
through the
You know what?
incident.
We'll just go to jail and you can explain it to a judge how it works. Okay.
Can I keep the bag?
Nope, you can't.
You said I could keep it.
No, I said I would take it once I hand off to you. Yeah. But you cannot. That's actually considered contraband if we put it in the jail. So.
Well, I ain't going in the jail for everything.
Yeah, you're going to jail. Where do you think you're going? Anything that you have on you. And the reason I ask is because when you get there, they're going to put you through an X-ray machine.
I don't think I have anything on me.
Okay, just so you know. Just sit down. Be careful with your head.
I saw the guy was on top of us. I don't know if I knew someone was on the way up here. Guys, stop me.
How don't you know your ex-boyfriend?
To me, I don't know my ex-boyfriend. I have a lot of ex-boyfriends.
That doesn't mean you don't remember them.
Why do you think I remember him?
During their search, officers find several alarming items that the woman clearly shouldn't be in possession
What
of.
the? Hey. I don't even know why. I'm not even going to question it.
So, take pictures of that, please. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, he's going for criminal mischief. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
They're both going to jail together.
Okay.
Make it up. Oh, more?
Oh no.
Good deal.
Makes you question certain things.
You joke and have fun with that. That's
Yeah. I just want to see there's nothing underneath that. Okay. This is what bothers me out of all of it.
If you want to take down the name and try and contact him and see if he has any relationship.
Well, when I asked her how she couldn't remember this one over here, I'm like, how can you not remember? Well, I had a lot of boyfriends.
If you also take a picture, you can see the door sticking out too. If you want to take a picture of that, should I say?
Okay. Okay, so we spoke before about the whole thing. You told me what happened. So I just need you to raise your right hand, and do you swear or affirm the statement you previously gave me is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. And do you want to pursue charges for the damage to your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I am going to give you a card with a case number, okay? Give me just a second. There you go. The report should be ready. Give it 3 to 4 business days. You can do the request in person, over the phone, or online.
Okay.
If you do it online, they usually send it to you in like an email.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank
Okay. No, thank you. You have a good day.
And regarding the man who dented the Uber driver's car, police deal with him as well.
Hey, go ahead and stand up. Step up.
Yeah.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands together like you're praying almost. Yep, there you go.
What, they saying I hit somebody's car or something?
Yep.
I don't know who said that. I don't think either one of us said that.
That's what I heard.
No. Interesting that you'd know that, though.
I could have sworn that's what I heard.
Can I have a light? Like,
Yeah.
that's good.
But I mean, you guys got some evidence, so you guys can do that.
Apparently, the people that did drove over here.
They said it's in them.
They matched you. Nothing else in your waistband, anything like that?
No, I have on freaking pajama shorts.
You have nothing else on you? Okay, the only reason we ask is if we miss something,
yeah,
you know?
Yeah, contraband, all that type of shit.
Yeah, we don't want.
Shit, so, oh, my fault.
What's that?
No,
He hit you in the head by
I
accident.
tried to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you're good. Okay, hop in.
And knowing all of this, do you want to talk to me and tell me what happened? I'm sorry, you said no? Okay.
They saying that they see me. What did they say they see me though? Like what are them being accused of?
Right now you're being charged with criminal mischief, which pretty much vandalism. Okay. He doesn't want to talk, but he's still under arrest.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to put him in the back of my car, or do you want to transport him?
I can transport it for you. Anybody else going?
Yes, I have a female in the back of my car. She is being arrested for obstruction. She lied to my face.
Okay.
Okay.
The woman is charged with 2 different charges: obstructing a peace officer, which is a Class A misdemeanor, where multiple stalling attempts, evasive answers, and refusal to comply with officers during their investigation, as well as unlawful possession of another's ID. The typical penalty for obstructing a peace officer is up to 364 days in jail and or up to a $2,500 fine. For the man who dented the Uber driver's car, he was charged with criminal damage to property or criminal mischief, where he knowingly damaged another's property. $500 or less is a Class A misdemeanor with up to 364 days in jail and a $2,500 fine. If damages exceeded over $500, this is a Class 4 felony with 1 to 3 years in jail and up to a $25,000 fine. The exact charge will obviously be dependent on the repair estimates and vehicle damages costs. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Let me know your honest thoughts down below on this particular case, and I will see you guys in the next video.